These muffins are so easy to make. You just combine all the dry ingredients, then all the wet ingredients, mix them together and bake it. It rarely gets easier than that. Hey guys, welcome to Tea for Two. Today we're making these incredibly quick and easy bran and walnut muffins. To start, preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius in a fan-assisted oven, and line a muffin pan with 6 to 8 cases depending how big a muffin you want to make. So the first thing we want to do is sift together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon and salt. Next we're going to combine all the wet ingredients into a bowl in pretty much any order. I'm going to start with the egg, which I like to break up a little with a whisk, before adding the oil, honey, molasses, brown sugar, vanilla, and buttermilk. Give it all a mix until nicely combined. Here I've actually substituted molasses and buttermilk with a Swedish dark syrup and natural yogurt watered down with a bit of milk. Once the wet ingredients are thoroughly combined, we can add in the bowl of dry ingredients and mix until it's about half incorporated. At this point we can add in the wheat bran, wheat germ, and chopped walnuts. We add them at this stage to prevent overmixing the batter. Once we have a homogeneous batter, we can distribute it into the muffin cases, filling each one about 3/4 full, but if you want larger ones, feel free to fill them to 90%. You should end up with around 6 to 8 muffins. If you want to decorate the muffins, you can sprinkle them with some chopped walnuts, wheat bran or wheat germ before baking in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes, or until golden brown and cooked through. Once these are cool, store them in an airtight container overnight so the flavours have time to mature and the muffins will taste 10 times better. And that's it. A simple bran and walnut muffin that makes the perfect autumn snack for two. If you're interested in more quick and easy snack recipes, you should check out our other videos linked here.